Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to my Oliveboard platform. I hope you are great and you are preparing for your exam in a very well manner. So today we are going to discuss about the live mock tier 2 solution for the quant section, right? Probably you took this test in last weekend and this is the all India live mock test solution, right? So first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. I am making it large for you. Now the first question is reading, what is the sum of the prime numbers? What is the sum of the prime numbers between 12 and 32? Now first of all tell me, what are the numbers which are lying between 12 and 32 and which are prime number? So we can say that after 12, 13 is a prime number, right? Plus 17 is a prime number, plus 19 is a prime number, right? Then 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number, and 31 is a prime number, right? So we have only 6 prime number. Now we have to make sum of all these 3, right? So we can say that 3, 7, 10, 10 and 9, 19, 22, 22 and 10, 32. The unit digit must be 2. So we can say that the sum would be equal to 132. So 132 is the right answer, right? So this is again very simple question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying HCF and LCM of two natural numbers P and Q, where P is greater than Q, are 30 and 1050. See, we have HCF of two number. HCF is 30. We must know that if HCF is 30, it means that the first number is going to be 30A and second number is going to be 30B, right? Is this clear? So A and B are the prime number. So we can say that their HCF, LCM would be represented by 30 into A into B, right? So directly we can say that the product of co-prime number, right? Co-factors, right? Or we can say remaining numbers, है ना? After extracting or after taking out the HCF, so A into B must be equal to LCM divided by HCF, right? You must know this, right? If you know this, so you can directly divide LCM by HCF. So you will get how much? You will get 35, right? So we can say that A into B must be equal to 35, and here the question is saying P is greater than Q, means A must be greater than B, right? So A must be greater than B. A is the factor of P, right? And 30 is the common factor. So we can say that if we take, so the factor is 7 into 5, or we can take 35 into 1. So there are only 2 pair possible with the given condition. So with the given condition, only 2 possible pair are possible. So we can say that B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, 3 circles each of radius 5√3 centimeter touch one another. The area subtended between them. Now you have to calculate the area subtended, or we can say enclosed by 3 rings, right? 3 rings. So if you know the direct formula, you can use the direct formula over here. The question is saying there are the 3 circles. They are putting like this, right? So we have to calculate the area for this, right? So we can say that the area is given by r square bracket √3 minus pi by 2, right? So this is the direct formula. So we know that √3 minus pi by 2. So we are having only 2 options. So this is not the answer, this is not the answer, either A or D. So what is the R? R is, so we are going to take square. So 5√3 square. So we are getting how much? 25 into 3, that is 75. So 75 into, so we can say that D part is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Okay, so D daredevil is the right answer. So moving to next question. tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying Manoj sells a shirt at some loss on Monday, right? He is selling his shirt at a loss, certain loss. On Tuesday, he reduces the selling price. The selling price is again reduces. It means loss is going to increase. Reduced by 8%. It means the selling price. So 8% is reduced of the selling price. It means this is the selling price which he took on Monday, right? At Monday he sold the shirt, right? So at what price? So let that price is SP. So now the SP is getting reduced by 5%, right? Sorry, 8%. SP of Monday is getting reduced by 8%. So we just let that the SP on Monday is SP, right? Selling price on Monday is SP. So the selling price on Tuesday going to be reduced by 8%. So how much it is going to reduce? By 8%, 8% of the SP, right? And his loss becomes 5% more than that of the loss on Monday. Let the loss of Monday of rupees S. So we can say that this is going to be equal by 5% of the loss, right? So here we can say that the loss upon SP, the ratio of loss upon SP is equal to 8 by 5, right? 8 by 5. It means the loss is 8 unit, selling price is 5 unit. So we can say that cost price is always equal to selling price plus loss, right? So we can say that cost price is equal to 5 plus 8, that is 13, right? Cost price is equal to 5 plus 8, that is 13. So we can say that loss percentage is equal to how much? Loss percentage is equal to loss is how much? 8 divided by 13 into 100, right? 8 divided by 13 into 100. Now tell me what is the answer? Yes, please. So we can say that 61.54% is the right answer. After calculating it, we will get 61.54% is the right answer, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. A man purchases 2 books of the same cost price. See, the cost price of the 2 books is same. Let the cost price for, see, the question is saying the cost price for both books is same. So there is B1 and this is the B2. So the cost price is same. So assume it as 100, right? So let the cost price is 100. The first one at a profit of 20%, right? First one is going to be sale at 20%. So we can say that selling price is going to 120. And the second one at 2 successive discount of 10%. If 2 successive discount of 10%, so we can say that the total discount is going to be how much? That is 19%. It means the selling price is going to be 81, right? So we can say that if the overall profit means what? The profit here is how much? 20 rupees, and there is a loss of how much? 19. So the overall profit is going to be how much? 1 unit, right? So 1 is equal to how much? 5. 1 is equal to how much? 5. So we can say that the cost price for first book is 500 and the cost price for second is also 500, right? Now the question is saying at what % profit should he sell the second book so that his total profit be rupees 125. See, the total profit is rupees 125. So we can say that if the total cost price, right, total cost price is equal to 500 plus 500, 1000. How we are getting it? 500 plus 500, that is, so now the total selling price would be how much? The profit, or we can say total profit going to be 125. So we can say that 1125. Is this clear? Yes. Or if you are not doing like this, so you can do it rightly. You can do it directly. How you can do it directly? If you do not want to do like this, so you can say that if the cost price is 5 times, so the profit would also be 5 times. So we can say that at selling B1, we will get how much profit? 100 rupees, right? So we will get 100 rupees profit just selling B1 book, right? B1 book, right? Now we want to earn total profit 125. Out of 125, we have already earned 100 rupees now. So how much we need to more? How much more we need to earn? How much more we need to earn now? So we need 25 rupees more, right? So at what? 500, right? So we can say that at the second book, right? At what? At second book, right? So 25 rupees profit need to be earned at the second book. So we can say that 25 divided by 500 into 100, 0, 0. So we need to sell the second book at 5% profit to earn total 125 rupees as a profit. So A part is the right answer. Is this clear? See, we are selling 2 books and now the condition is saying we must have total 125 rupees profit. At first book we are getting 100 rupees as a profit. So how much we need to earn on the second book? We need to earn 25 rupees more so that our target will be fulfilled, right? So I hope this is very much clear. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. See, in two similar triangle, question is saying in two similar triangles. So we have two similar triangles. What is the condition, or we can say what is the criteria, what is the result of similarity? So we can say that if two triangles are similar, means their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding side ratio is also equal. So with this condition we can say that PR upon SU is equal to how much? 2 by 1. So we can say that the ratio of corresponding side is equal to how much? 2 by 1, right? So here we are given PQ plus ST, right? PQ plus ST. So we can say that, see, PQ divided by ST, right? So this is the corresponding side. So their ratio must be equal to how much? 2 by 1, right? We know that the ratio of the corresponding sides is always equal in case of similarity, right? So we can say that PR upon SU must be equal to PQ upon ST, right? So PQ upon ST is equal to how much? 2 by 3. And we know that their sum means 2 plus 1, that is 3 unit. So 3 unit is equal to how much? 16.8. So what is the value for 1 unit? 1 unit is equal to how much? 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 8, 5.8. Now the question is asking ST. ST is 1 unit. So we can say that 5.6 centimeter is the right answer. So the length of ST is equal to, so the measure of ST is equal to 5.6. Again, very easy question, right? Very easy question. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. So this question belongs to algebra. Again, very easy question, right? I am making it large for your proper visibility, right? See, now this is visible. Yes. See, the question is saying x bracket x minus 8, right? So this will become x square plus 8x plus 4 square, right? X plus 4 whole square into, this is 1 upon 7q, right? So this will move to the numerator part, right? So this is the square of x plus 4 square get cancelled. So we can say that 7q is the right answer. So 343 is the right answer. So D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? See, the question is saying, this question belongs to probability, right? A speaks the truth 9 out of 10. A speaks the truth. So probability for A to speak the truth is how much? That is 9 out of 11, right? So what is the probability for telling a lie? So for telling a lie, the probability is 2 by 11, right? For A, right? This is for A. This is for A, right? And for B, the probability of telling the truth is how much? 12 out of 15, right? So the probability for telling a lie is how much? 3 by 15. Is this clear? What is the probability that they contradict each other? If they are contradict each other, it means A is telling truth, right? A is telling truth. In that case, B is telling lie. B is telling lie. Plus, if A is telling lie, it means B is telling truth, right? B is telling truth, right? So for A, the probability is telling truth is 9 by 11. In that case, B will lie. So the probability is 3 by 15, right? So when A is lying, the probability of A lie is 2 by 11 into B truth. B truth is 12 by 15. Just solve this, right? So after solving this, we will get 5 by cancelled 5 times, and this is 3 by 4 5 times. So we can say that 9 by 55 plus here we will get 8 by 55, right? So 17 by 55 is the right answer. So the probability for they are contradict each other is 17 by 55, right? So C part is the right answer, right? C, Chennai Express is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Again, very interesting question. See, the question is saying a certain amount invested at a certain rate, right, compounded annually grows to an amount in 7 years, which is, it means any principal which is going to amount at 5 years, right? And the same is going to be at 7 years. So the amount which is becoming at 7 years is 1.3225 times of the amount being mature at 5 years, right? It means we know that the amount for particular year, right? So that is going to be principal for the next year, right? So the amount for 5 year, it is going to be principal for the 6th year, right? Is this clear? So we can say that we will get 2 years, right? So in 2 years, rupees 1 is going to mature 1.3225, right? So we can say that directly we can use the formula A is equal to how much? P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 key power 2, right? So time is 2. So for P we can take 1, for A that is 1.3225. So we can apply this and solve this, right? Or we can use the direct approach. We can take the square root, right? So there is a 2. So we can take the square root also, right? So square root of 1 is how much? 1. And this is the square root of what? 1.15, right? So we can say that there is an interest of 0.5 at rupees 1. So 0.15 at rupees 1 into 100. So we can say that 15% is the right answer. Either you can use the formula or you can use the smart approach. I have already told you both approach, right? It's up to you. After solving this, you will also get 15% rate of interest. So we can say that A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, there are two containers containing kerosene, diesel and petrol, right? Containing kerosene, diesel and petrol. See, kerosene, diesel and petrol. The ratio of this is 7:8:9, and that is 5:7:4, right? So total is how much? So the total quantity in first container is 7, 8, 9. That is 7 and 8, 15. 15 and 9, how much? 24, right? 7 and 5, 12. 12 and 4, that is 16, right? So they are being mixed in equal quantities. For making equal quantities, see. So we have to make it equal. So making equal. So we have to take the LCM of 24 and 16, right? So what is the LCM of? So we can say that 24 into 2 and 16 into 3, right? This will become how much? 48, right? So the total quantity will be how much? 96, right? Total quantity. So we can check the options also, right? Or if we can directly say that into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. If you are not going by option, you can solve it, right? This is not a big calculation. So 7 into 2, 14. 14 and 15. So this is going to be 29. So first term is 29. So there is only one option in which first term is 29. So we can say that D part is the right answer. Again, this is approach the very easy, right? So we can use any approach. So the D part is the right answer. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 75, angle R is equal to 75, right? Then arrange the sides of the triangle. See, if we know the sides of the triangle, right? So we have to arrange them. We have to arrange them from the largest to smallest. Now tell me one thing. If we have A, B, C, right? And this is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. Or we can say that this is the angle A, this is the angle B, and this is the angle C. See, if I say that angle A is greater than angle B, greater than angle C, it means the side lying opposite to the largest angle or greatest angle is always greater, right? And side opposite to the smallest angle is always small. So we can say that the side against the angle A is the greatest angle, is A. So A is greater than B is greater than C. I think this is clear to you, right? So on that basis we can categorize. See, here one angle is 75, another is 55. So what is the angle Q, right? So angle Q is how much? 180 minus 75 plus 55. So we can say that 130. So that is going to be 50 degree. Is this clear? So we can say that angle P is greater than angle R is greater than angle Q. Is this clear? So we can say that, see, how we can say that? This is P, Q, R, right? So angle P is greater, so it means the QR, side QR is greater than, largest, right? QR is the largest. For angle R, opposite side is PR, right? Sorry, PQ. And for Q, the opposite side is PR, right? So we can say that QR is greater than PQ is to PR. So correct order is QR, PQ and PR, right? So C part is the right answer. C part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, two friends Rakesh and Mahima started a business by investing rupees 25,000 each for the first year. Okay. So there are two friends. One is Rakesh. See, one is Rakesh and another is Mahima. One is Rakesh and another is Mahima. They started business by investing 25,000, right? In the second year, Rakesh invested 10,000 rupees more and Mahima invested 5,000 rupees more in the second year, right? So this is again third year. Rakesh invested 10,000 more and Mahima invested 30,000 more, right? So at the end of 3 years, the profit, see, the profit is always represented by capital into time, right? Capital into time. So we can say that in first year, see, in first year Rakesh invested 25,000, we can say 25k. In second year he invested 10,000 more, right? And in the third year Rakesh invested 10,000 more again, right? Whereas Mahima invested what? In first year 25k, in second year 5k, right? And in third year 30k, right? So please tell me the sum invested for first year or sum invested in first year is going to be used for all 3 years. So we are going to multiply it by 3, right? And the sum invested in or put in second year is going to be used for 2 years, right? So we will multiply it by 2, and the sum invested or put in the business at the third year is going to be used only for 1 year, right? So we are going to use like this, right? Is this clear? Now we can add up them, right? So the total capital weightage is how much? 75k, 20k and 10k, right? So we can say that the total weightage of the capital and time is equal to how much? That is 105k, right? And for Mahima, that is 75k and 10k and 30k, right? So this is going to be 110k. So by k is cancelled, by 5 this is 21 time and this is 22 time, right? So we can say that their profit sharing ratio is going to be 21:22, right? Sorry, 21 is to, I think there is a mistake. Sorry, this is 105, yes, this is 105k, right? So we will get 23 here, yes. See, 75 not 70, right? So 21:23 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Nitya Priya, very good bachche, very good, that's great. So we can say that A part is the right answer. Now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, how many numbers are there between 1 to 400 which are divisible by 3 but not by 7, which are divisible by 3 but not by 7. So we can say that the number divisible by 3 is given by 400 divided by 3, simple, 133, right? And the number which are divisible by 3 and 7 both, right? 3 and 7 both, how much? So we are going to divide it 21 divided by 400, right? See, going to be, we have to take the numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 7. It means we have to take a number which are divisible by 3 and 7 both, because we are not going to take only those number, right? See, we have to focus on the number which are divisible by 3 but not divisible by 7. Now it means we have to exclude the number which are divisible by 3 and 7 both, right? So we have to exclude only these number, right? So that's why we are going to take 21. So we can say that 21 is the 21, right? So how much? So 9 times 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, right? So there are 19 numbers which are divisible by 7 also. So we can say that the answer would be 13. 13 minus 9 is how much? 4, 1. So 114 is the right answer. 114 is the right answer. Or we can say that, see, out of first 3 only 1 is divisible, right? See, 1, 2 and 3, only one number is divisible. So we can say that 1/3 is divisible, right? Likewise 1 7, it means, so directly we can say that the 400 into 1/3 but not divisible by 7, right? So we can say that so by this also we can solve this, right? So this is the but this is the perfect way. Through this we will never commit any mistake, right? So moving to next, tell me what is the right answer for this question. See, find the mode of the following data. What is the mode? Mode represent the highest frequency, right? Highest frequency data. Mode is the highest frequency observation. Mode always represent the highest frequency observation. So highest frequency observation is 12. 12 is coming 4 times. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Again, very simple question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a toy shop has 60% of plastic toys and rest are wooden toys, right? A toy shop has 60% plastic toy, right? So plastic toy and wooden toy. So assume that total toys are 100, so 60 are plastic toy. So how much is remaining? 40. 40 are the wooden toy. Now we have to count 30% of the plastic toy and 40% of the total wooden toy are defective. See, the defective are 30%, so we can say that non-defective how much? Non-defective how much? 70%. 70% of 60, so we can say that 70% of 60 how much? 42. So 42 toys, plastic toys are non-defective, right? So likewise here the defective is how much? 40%. If 40% are defective, so we can say that non-defective is how much? It is 60%, right? So 60% of what? 60% of 40. So we can say that 24 wooden toys are non-defective. Now the question is asking non-defective plastic toys. Non-defective plastic toys how much? 42. Comparing what percent more or less than total number of non-defective of wooden. So how much more? So we can say that 12 minus 20, 42 minus 20, 42 minus 24. So how much? So it is equal to 18, right? So 18 toys are more than, so 18 non-defective plastic toy. So what is the question is asking? 18 is what percent of 24, right? Into 100. So we can say that by 6 this is 3 times, by 6 this is 4 times. So 75% is the right answer, right? So 75% is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. See, our focus of study is non-defective product, right? So we are going to calculate the value of non-defective product only. If 30% are defective, it means 70% of the base is non-defective. For wooden toy, 40% are defective, it means 60% are non-defective. And now our focus of study is non-defective. Question is targeting for non-defective products, right? So we are going to take value only for non-defective product so that we can save our time, right? So that we can save our time. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? See. So we can say that, see, this is equal to how much? By option we can say that A minus B, A plus B, right? So we can say that this is 5 to the power 4. Yes, and this is 36 square, right? So we are going to split it. So we can say that here we will get how much? 36 m square minus 5 square, or we can say that 25, right? So option D, by observing we can say that option D is following, right? And none other is going to follow, right? So only option D is correct. So here we have applied the basic formula of, sorry, yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, see, this is the question which we must leave in starting, right? Because this is very calculative question, right? So if in exam, I'll suggest you, if you are taking the exam, I'll suggest you on my personal basis, you should ignore such kind of question at first sight, right? And in last, if you save some time, if you get some time, so you can attempt in the last. Only in last you should attempt such kind of question, because this is very much calculative, right? So here the calculation is high. So we can say that, see, so we can say that the M and N, see, M and N together can complete a piece of work 11.2, right? N and O together can do it in 9.6, and O and M, so we can take LCM, right? So we can take any value for LCM. So for our convenience we are taking 336, right? So this is the total work, right? So that we can easily divide. So what is the efficiency? After dividing 336 by 11 point, it is easily divisible by 3. For point we are taking 0, right? So by 9.6, this is divisible by how much? Tell me. So it is going to be divisible by 35 and by 80 it is 4.2, right? So we can say that after adding all, so twice of m plus n plus o, we will get how much? Just at 0.2969. So the efficiency of m plus n plus o going to be what? Divided by 2, that is 4.6, right? Now the question is saying, then what percent of the work would be left done if all work for 8 days? See, total all three can complete 34.6 unit of the work in one day, right? If they are going to work for 8 days, right? If they are going to work for 8 days, it means 34.6 into 8, right? So how much work is going to be done? So we can say that 276.8, right? 276.8. Just subtracting, we will get what? So here we will get 9. So 59.2 works are left. So now we have to calculate the percentage. 59.2 divided by 336 into 100. So this is the target. So we can say that after solving this we will get 17.62%. So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So this is the very calculative question. So you should ignore such kind of question at first sight, right? And attempt or try this question later on. Again, very easy question. So this is the square of what? See, this is the square of 35, right? And after adding this we will get what? 18 plus, right? Square root of what? 4 and 4, 2 and 3. So this is the square of 18, right? So we can take 18. So 18 plus 18, that is 36. So 6 is the right answer. Again, very easy question, right? Yes. Tell me what is the answer for this. See, when two dice are rolled, what is the probability that the sum of the result will be greater than 5? See, when we are rolling two dice, so the minimum sum is how much? Minimum sum is 2, right? And ranging maximum sum is 12, right? And we know that sum can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Now the question is, the sum of the result will be greater than 5. Greater than 5 means the target is this, right? Our target is this. Now we know that the total number of pair, see, the total number of pair for all is equal to how much? 36. So we can calculate the total number of pair for the sum 2, that is only 1, for 3 that is 2, and for 3 that is how much? 3. So we can say that only 6 pair are not the favorable case, right? 6 are the, see, must be greater than 5, right? Must be greater than 5. It means we have to take 5 also. See, 4, 5 and 6 must be greater than 5. It means must not be less than 5, right? So for this 5. See, so if the sum is 2, so the number of pair is 1. For sum 3, number of pair is 2. For 4, number of pair is 3. And for 5, number of pair is 4. We must know this. So we can say that this is the not favorable. So how much favorable case are? 36 minus non-favorable. How much? 3, 3, 6 and 4, 10, right? So we can say that only 26 are the favorable case. So probability of the event is going to be favorable case divided by total number of cases, right? So we can say that 26 divided by 36, right? So by the 2, this is 13 and this is 18, right? So 13 by 18 is the right answer. 13 by 18 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, please. See, a ladder is placed against a wall. See, we are placing a ladder. Ladder is placed. This is the wall, right? We are placing ladder, right? See. So if we are placing the ladder now at 15 meter distance, 15 meter distance. It makes 60-degree angle. See, it makes 60-degree angle. Now tell me what is the length of ladder. Just reading the question till now. See, read the question for the first line only. The ladder placed against the wall of the foot, distance 15 meter from the wall. It makes an angle of 60 degree. It makes an angle of 60 degree. So we can say that what is the length of ladder? So we can use base and hypotenuse, right? Base and hypotenuse. If AB is the ladder, right? AB is the ladder. Now tell me what is the length of AB. See, if we apply cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So we can say that if this is 1 and this is 2, so we can say that this is equal to 30. Is this clear? Yes. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Is this clear? So the length of the ladder is 30. No problem. Now the question is saying it slips when someone start climbing. Now it is going to slip. If it is going to slip, now this is the process. This is the structure. It is happening, right? So again, now the ladder is A and we can say this is the B, right? Or we can say A dash or B dash. Is this clear? So the length of ladder is going to be same. This is going to be 30 only. Is this clear? Yes. Now find how much did ladder slip to the ground. Now we have to calculate the length of this much only. So we can say that and makes the angle of 30. Now the angle is 30. Now please tell me what is the value for cos 30. What is the value for cos 30? So that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So we can say that the complete is root 3, right? And this is 2, right? This is 2. See, so if we are applying cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2, right? So 2 unit is equal to how much? So we can say that is 15, right? So how much it is going to slip? It is going to be slip 13. How much? 13 minus 1, right? So we can say that 1 unit is equal to 15 into root 13 minus 1. So 15, take the value for root 3, 1.732, right? Minus 1. So 15 into 0.732, something, right? Now tell me what is the answer. So we can say that so we will get how much? Just calculate it, right? So I think 10.95, right? So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. C. Okay. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 12 pi centimeter is. Total surface area of hemisphere of radius. So this is going to be how much? Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square, right? So radius is 3 into pi into r, 12 into 12 upon pi into pi, right? So by pi this is cancelled to 3 into 12 into 12 divided by 22 into 7 by 2. This is 6 times and this is 11 times, right? So by multiplying we will get how much? 1512 divided by 11, right? So we will get 1512 by 11. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, here we can apply 4 cot A. 4 cot A. So we can say that cot A. See, cot A is equal to what? 5 by 16. So this is base and this is perpendicular. See, when the degree is same in the numerator and denominator, so we can take value of cos for value of base, right? And P we can consider sine, right? So putting in place of cos the value for base and value for P, right? So directly we can calculate 4 into the value for base is how much? 5 plus value for perpendicular is 16. So 4 into 5 minus 16. So we can say that this is equal to 20. 36 divided by 20, that is 4. By 4 this is 9, right? So B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next, again very easy question. Question number 23. In a circle, the center O, AP and AQ are the tangent. See, AP and AQ are the tangent. So this is the circle. So A is the AP and AQ are the tangent. And O is the center, right? So OP. What is the OA, right? So this is 90 degree. So we can say that OP upon PA is equal to how much? 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5. And OP is how much? Radius is 12, right? So this is 12. So 2 is equal to 12, 6 times. So 5 is equal to 30, right? So this is 30. Just apply the Pythagoras. So we can say that AO is equal to how much? 13 square minus, sorry, plus 12 square. 13 square plus, sorry, 30 square, not 12. This is 30. 30 square plus 12 square. So we can say that this is equal to 900 plus 144, right? So 1044, right? 1044. So this is going to how much? So in root we have 29, right? So see, so I think A part is the right answer. See, so we can view the solution. So the A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. The root of 1044 is equal to 6 root 29, right? So you can check it. Now moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See the median. Median is the how much? So first of all, arrange in ascending order, right? Arrange in ascending order, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 observation. So 9 plus 1 divided by, so we can say that fifth observation from the lowest to the highest, right? So we can say the first one is this, first, second and third, fourth and fifth one is 21. So we can say that 21 is the right answer. Or we are not going to waste our time, right? So we can say that 21 is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. If the average for 5 consecutive number, if we have consecutive numbers, it means the difference between the terms are same. So it is it AP series. So the average for AP series is smallest plus largest divided by 2 is equal to 750. So we can say that the sum of smallest and largest is equal to 1500. No need to use pen and paper, right? Again, very simple question. No need to use pen and paper for this type of question, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, Ranjana Kapoor travel 450 km to his home partly by train, partly by car. Okay, she takes 8 hours 40 minutes if she travels 240 km by train, right? She is going to travel by train how much? 240, right? So by car she will cover 450 minus, so 110. So total time is how much? 8 hours 40 minutes, right? And she takes 20 minutes more if she travels 180 km by train and rest by car. That is 450 minus 180, how much? So we can say that 270, right? Total time is 20 minutes more, means 9 hours, right? So just we have the distance, right? So this is the distance. if divided by speed, so we will get the time. So by option, right? So by option we can solve this, right? So most probably, see, the speed must be multiple of, right? We are having 24, 18, 27 must be multiple of 9, right? So I think these are not possible, right? So one of the options, so after checking we will find this B is the right answer, right? So we will satisfy it, right? So just by checking option we can solve it. We are running out of time, that's why I'm completing in hurry, right? See, the mean proportion is what? The square root of the both. So square root of 162 into 32 and the square root of 186 into 150, right? So we can break it 91 into 2, right? So from here we will get 9, from here we will get 64, that is 8, right? Is this clear? So how much we will get here? See, if I take 6, right? So 6 1 just 6, 81 into 6, right? So for 9, 81, 15 into 9, 900, so we will get 30. 9 cancel by 4, sorry, by 2 this is 4 time, by 2 this is 15 time, right? So 4:15 is the right answer. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Now question number 28. How many spherical bullets can be made out of the solid metallic cube whose area, see, n must be equal volume of big figure divided by volume of small figure, right? So whose area, face area is how much? 1134, right? 1936. How many spherical bullets? So face area, right? So here we will get so the radius would be equal to how much? After calculating we will get 44, I think, right? So here we will get 44, right? So the, see, 44 into 44 into 44, because the constant part will be cancelled out, and the radius for how much? Diameter is 1, right? Diameter is going to be 1. So we can say that how many solid metallic cube? So metallic cube volume is, right? So 2 by 3 into pi cube, 1 into 1 into 1. Just solve this, right? Just solve this. So you will get how much? So you will get probably 203328, right? So B part is the right answer, right? Yes, B part is the right answer. Okay, moving to next question, question number 29. So please try to solve it on your own, right? See, again very easy question. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Here you have to apply the simple board mass, right? So last question, again very easy question. See, we have to calculate the value for root 3 10p. So we can divide, right? R sin q is equal to 1 divided by R cos cube, right? So here we will get what? 1 divided by root 3. R cancelled, right? So we can say that 10q is equal to 1 upon root 3. So it means this is the value, 10q is equal to 1 upon root 3, right? So 10q is 1 upon root 3. So we can say that root 3 into 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Root 3 cancel. 1 plus 1, 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. See, so this is all for today. This is all for today. If you are preparing for the exam in a systematic manner, right? So you can do one thing. See, you can do one thing. Just go on the Oliveboard website. Just go on the Oliveboard website, right? So you will get interface like this, right? Just go on the course section. After clicking course section, you will get this interface. Just scroll it down. So you will get the English medium courses, right? So we are having 40 days MCQs courses targeting tier 2, right? We have also SSC foundation for those who are targeting for next year SSC exam 2025, right? If you are preparing for RRB NTPC, so you can check it out, RRB NTPC crash course CBT1 and CBT2 both. So we have different batches, and different, or we can say new batches are coming in the next to next weeks also, right? So everything will be updated over here, so you can check it out as per their requirement. So this is all for today. Thank you guys, thank you very much for your patience, and catch me live on daily basis at 5 PM. So thank you again, thank you very much. Jai Hind.